Happy Tuesday.
Wow, we're so glad you're with us this morning.
We made it down again. Boy, I'll tell you, it was kind of a challenge this morning.
It actually was a little bit of a challenge to get here, but we're so happy that we can be here with you, and we hope you're all doing well. Again, this is some tough times we're going through, but that's why we're here. We're here to visit you.
And of course, we're doing this for you guys because we miss you. I mean,
we do.
Believe me, this
Yeah.
social distancing stuff is very tough on us. And we're very blessed up in the North Pole. We do not have to worry about it as much because of the dome we're under, and we're not running across people that actually have the virus. So we are blessed from that standpoint, but we know how tough you guys have got it. So that's why we're coming down every week, is we want to spend some time with you. And of course, the more of you that watch us, the more we feel like we're in touch. Because, we're used to seeing thousands of you guys at Christmas time. I mean,
so
there's always lines that we get to wait and see lots of kids.
We need your help. This is live.
Yes.
So you have an opportunity to help us, which we would really, really appreciate. So you can share this while you're watching.
Yeah, just click and share.
Yeah.
Also, you guys could start a watch party.
Wouldn't that be fun?
Wouldn't that be fun? Then we could talk to a whole bunch of you at once.
I know, that would be very exciting. I love that.
It would be like doing story time right in your own living room. So, wait a minute. We are kind of doing that, aren't we?
Well, I guess we are.
Yes.
We are.
Anyway, well.
We have a new book.
Is everybody ready for a story?
Yeah.
Now, go ahead.
Well, this is a very special book. This was sent to us. This is the beautiful artwork is done by Richard Lorenz, and it's written by Tina Louise. They're a husband and wife team, and so they sent us this great book about Be the Bird, which is a story about be you. So it's all about how wonderful and special you are.
Now, before I start reading the book, I'm going to tell you guys something. This book is autographed. It's got Tina Louise's autograph, who is the author, and it's got Richard Lorenz, or as we call him up in the North Pole, Rick. At least that's the way he sends all the letters to me, to Santa Love Rick, and I put the tags on the same way. But anyway, it's got their signatures on this. Somebody's going to win this book. Mm-hmm. All you need to do is make some comments and let us know that you're watching. And if you like the book, make sure you make comments on it and what you liked and that kind of thing. Mrs. Claus is going to show you the book, and I'm going to read the story while she does. So.
And this first beautiful bird is Eloise.
Okay. Eloise is fearless and confident. This is Eloise.
Yeah.
Rare and beautiful? Yes, indeed. Listen closely, you will hear her say, "It's better to show your true colors than let them fade away."
Okay. And then we have Alvin.
Yeah. Have you met Alvin? He's such a sight to see. You might spot him soaring high above a tree. Alvin is colorblind. This much is true. He's a one of a kind, just like me and you.
And let's see, who do we have next? We have
Bernadette.
Bernadette. Oh,
Make a change. Use your voice. Always know you have a choice. Sing, squawk, quack, or roar. There's never been a bird like you before.
okay.
And this is a cute one.
This is Agnes.
Wild hair, don't care. Giant feet, super sweet. Dream big, it's what we do. Believe the magic that's inside of you.
Okay.
Oh, I like Ellie.
Oh, Ellie Mae.
Be wonderful, be strong, be sassy, be true. Never stop being amazingly you.
Okay. Ah, and now we have Otis.
Now, Otis is a grumpy bird. It's very plain to see. But do you know a grumpy bird? Maybe it's you. Maybe it's me. Otis doesn't look that bad.
No. Oh, and this is Myrtle.
Myrtle is confident and brave in her favorite hat. Makes her feel that way. She never worries what others say. She wears her hat anyway. And what a hat she's got.
Yes.
No excuses. You will hear her opinions are quite clear.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
I think I got.
Next page.
Oh, I didn't get to.
Myrtle's on 2 pages.
Oh, that's right. This is Mini Myrtle.
And then Mini Myrtle,
I got
yes.
confused, Santa. Sorry.
So, you're fine. So let me start again. No excuses you will hear. Her opinions are quite clear. A little sassy, this is true. Just a bird with an attitude. That's Mini Myrtle.
Okay.
Now we got Cletus.
Cletus. Here's Cletus.
Be your own quirky, silly you. Wear a big hat. And maybe goggles too. It doesn't matter what you do. Just be happy being you. And that is true.
Yes, it is certainly true. Oh,
Ernie.
Ernie.
Okay, let's discover something wonderful and new. Next page.
All right. Oh, and Annie.
Exciting adventures await for me and you.
This is so exciting.
This is fun.
Oh, and this is Earl.
Now this is a fish.
Yeah.
Rich,
We got fish now.
Rick did a fish as well as birds. So, So Earl said, it's the little things you do, your funny, silly ways. I get so excited.
And here comes Inez.
And Inez is another fish. You bring love and laughter, and you brighten my days. Okay.
And Rita and Ray.
Do you know a kooky bird running wild and free? Jumping, flipping, singing, as silly as can be? I know a few.
And then we have Percival and Beulah.
Yes, you and I, side by side, hand in hand, what a ride! Laughter ahead, love and fun. This wonderful journey has just begun. So you gotta show them this one. So which bird are you?
Yeah,
Let's
there's
see.
all
We have
kinds
all
of
kinds
pictures
of
here.
birds. If you look at the book
Yeah.
here, you got fearless and adorable and adventurous and dreamer and caring. Caring is a very important bird right now. We need you all to be a little caring as well as creative.
And
So-
one thing I want to point out just real quick is that we also have at the toward the end of the book here, there's a certificate
It says the best bird certificate.
Yeah, so you get to fill that out when you get this. So yeah, so
So Tina says, welcome to our world. It's not every day we see birds fly by. We forget to look up as they soar through the sky. Each bird has a lesson. Listen close, you will hear. Their wisdom and knowledge becomes quite clear. Some birds are funny, making us giggle and laugh. Others are grumpy, though that will never last.
No.
Our feathered friends are teachers in every way, encouraging us to learn, spread our wings, and play. So I hope you guys enjoyed this book, and we thank our friends again, Tina and Rick, for sending it to us. Now, we mentioned earlier that it's really tough right now on you guys, because I'm sure you're running out of ideas and things to do and wondering what you should do next and that kind of thing. Well, Jolly Having Fun came to your rescue this week, didn't he?
he did.
Why don't you talk about Jolly and who he is?
Jolly Having Fun gave us a game that I hope that you guys would like to play at home. And it's a play at home scavenger hunt. So you can get some items and you get a bag or a basket that you have at home. And there's a list. Now, moms and dads, I know you can't read it, and don't be trying to write this down. So, because what I've done is what I said last week. If you come to our website, again, we have a tab that says for parents. Whoops. And I have the featured book that we just read. If you want to buy this book, if you didn't win it, then you can, there's a tab there to do that. But let me come down here to games, and we'll go click on that. And then we'll have, just a little slow here. There we go. And then here's click the link, and we have the home scavenger hunt, and it comes right up online as a PDF. So you can just print that at home. And anything that we talk about on the show, again, if you go to the For Parents, those links are up there and will stay up there. We also have some of our coloring sheets up there, and speaking of which, we got Tina and Rick sent us all these great coloring sheets,
which is going to go with the book.
Yeah, we'll send with the book, and so we have those as well.
So you can color your own birds and see what a special bird you are. So
we're hoping that again you'll have some fun with this. This is a stay-at-home game, so you can have fun going through the house and finding things like a toy with wheels, something round, a book with numbers in it, a photo of someone you love. So it's a fun thing to do.
Neat stuff. 4 things that are green. I don't know that we'd ever find anything up in the green up in the North Pole. Red would be easier, but
yeah, that's true. That's
green.
true.
Well, I got some green on my shirt here. I got green
So
leather ties, and
we thank Jolly for helping and giving us some games to play. So
this couple, they're artists and they travel the country.
They do.
And they're coming out with 2 more books. This is book 1 in the series. And Tina was telling me about book 2 and book 3.
Yes.
And, oh, they sound so exciting and so
They do.
and I love the theme behind them.
Yeah.
Wow, wait till you hear and see those. They're going to be gorgeous.
Because it is true that we're all individual. We're all different. It's some of us are tall and short And we have different
Little rounder,
a little rounder,
little thinner.
a little thinner. We have different color hair. We have different color skin. We have different color eyes. So we are unique, and certainly unique in the eyes of God.
Yes.
And so it's something that we should celebrate. So this is what that book's about.